Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. In today's video we are going to be learning 15 names of vegetables and their pronunciations. Don't forget to repeat after me after I say the names of the vegetables. So let's start. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. Cabbage, cabbage. Zucchini, zucchini. Broccoli, broccoli. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Carrot, carrot. Eggplant, eggplant. Spinach, spinach. Cucumber, cucumber. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Leek, leek. Peas, peas. Onion, onion. Green pepper, green pepper. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give big thumbs up and share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye bye.